In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in Twitter or X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's a very simple method to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So let's say you already have your account made, maybe you're trying to go into a different device or something like that. So all you want to go ahead and do is open up your X application, or obviously Twitter, whatever you want to call it. Now, when you do, it's going to look like this. It says see what's happening, and you have a few different options. You can continue with your phone number if your phone number has been linked previously. You can continue with Google, your email address, or you can even log in with your username at the very bottom. So you're just going to type in your username. After that, it's going to ask you for your password, and then that's it. You'll be basically logged in. So there are a few different ways you're going to be able to log in. You might have multiple ways, or you might just have one, depending on how secure and linked up your account is. But then that's it. You'll be good to go, and there's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.